to technical innovation and quality pursuit. Midea is now a leading white goods enterprise globally. With 6 overseas production bases and 15 domestic production bases, Midea manufacturing has spread all over the world. Hefei, one of the production bases, claims to be the biggest one for ATW heat pump, featuring energy saving, reliability, and coziness. The heat pump water heater, produced in Hefei, has gained recognition from consumers worldwide. Especially, Midea heat pump water heater with enamel water tank is in the forefront of heat pump technology. It is a perfect blend of latest technology and traditional techniques. First-class craftsmanship, first-class manufacturing. Midea possesses 4 pieces of advanced equipment, the first of its kind in domestic flange welding machine, triple welding machine, double-ended docking machine, and immersive leakage detector. Flange welding machine pioneers in automatic welding speed. Triple welding machine, ingenious technology, and triple higher efficiency. Double-ended docking machine, full automatic, seamless integration, leading in the industry. Immersive leakage detector, the largest of its kind in the industry. Midea invested over $10 million in Eisenman production line, which adopts full automatic facility and manufacturing technique of making Mercedes-Benz and BMW. It is also the manufacturing center for enamel water tank, the core component of heat pump water tank. Eisenman sandblasting machine, digital control to ensure fine sandblasting quality. Eisenman enamel coating machine. The coating adherence reaches grade 1, top in the industry. It adopts raw materials used in rocket and missile industry to achieve longer product lifespan. Eisenman low temperature dryer, drying as long as 1 hour to ensure stronger water tank. Eisenman sintering furnace improves the product quality and environmentally friendly by waste heat recovery. Eisenman delivery system, full automated management, optimized production efficiency. Bus control, international leading digitalized automatic management system. First grade products, first class test. This is the International First Class Test Center for ATW heat pump, well furnished with the most comprehensive test facilities. Full automatic performance test room to inspect the products in an all-round way. The noise testing room, the place to test the noise of products to achieve optimized low noise effect. Transportation simulation and external environment simulation together back strongly for the production of first-grade quality goods. This is the birthplace for leading enamel technology, thanks to the advanced manufacturing platform and first-class test center. The continuous pursuit for quality, the devotion to technological innovation, makes an international leading production base. Midea Hefei production base.